welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. So today is actually what is today? I think today's Tuesday. Yeah, today's Tuesday, and I'm on my way to go downtown. I'm gonna shoot some photos in my outfit. I'm only taking this outfit that I have on. I'm not gonna bring any other outfits because it's later in the day, so it's almost 5 o'clock, and I just don't think I'm gonna get enough footage in for that time frame. I'm also meeting a YouTuber and influencer who lives here, and we're gonna get like drinks and stuff later on. So I figured it's more just like networking, and we do want to like take photos in our outfit, so we're gonna do that. Little recap of tonight's activities. Let me share with you guys what I'm wearing today. It's pretty simple, but I still think it's a very cute look. So I am wearing pretty much a very casual look. So I have on this really nice camel blazer that I got from Zara, also with these Zara shorts. Guys, these Zara shorts owe me nothing because the amount of times that I've worn these shorts, I've definitely got my money's worth for these. These are a really good staple denim short because I don't like shorts that are too short, and it covers my butt nicely. The only thing is I have such a small waist that like it has all this extra room here, so I can get it taken in a little bit, and it would just look a little bit more flattering. It'd really give me back my hourglass shape, but for now I'm gonna leave it as is. I also just have a really basic tee on from Target, nothing special there. And then for my shoes here, I have these shoes from Fashion Nova. I've had these for a little bit. I don't wear them often because I don't like shoes that has this whole tie detail at the ankle, because number one, I have flat feet, so my feet are always sliding, and two, sometimes I feel like I tie it too tight, and sometimes I don't tie it tight enough. And like right now, this foot is slipping. Like, look at it. It's like barely even there. So I'm not a huge fan of shoes like these. But these are the only brown pair of shoes that I have, and I really wanted to wear a brown pair of shoes because I'm wearing my Pochette Felicie today, and I just kind of doubled the chain here just to give it a little bit of shortness and something a little bit different. I was debating whether or not I wanted to wear the Pochette Felicie or the Alma BB, but I want my look to be very casual and still kind of chic, so I figured the Felicie is a little bit more like, you know, evening wear for the look that I have. And also I don't wear the Felicie as much as I wear the Pochette, even though I got this one first. And as you guys can see, I've definitely like got some like wear and tear on this bag from traveling quite a bit with it, but it's definitely a really good combination with what I'm wearing today. And yeah, so figured something very casual, something very chic, very comfy, and also just very like, I'm still sexy, you know? So this is like what I'm wearing today. And then fragrance today, I decided to wear something very sweet. And I decided to wear the Donna Born in Roma by Valentino. Guys, this smells so amazing, and it smells very, very fruity, very sweet. It's like literally a kick of fruitness of sweetness. Like, it smells so good. I forget what the notes in here are. I'm gonna like put the notes on screen for you guys when I show you guys my fragrance of the day in case you guys are interested, but this smells amazing. I absolutely love it. And I know like one of my subscribers asked me like, when do I apply fragrance? So I apply fragrance after like I, you know, shower and everything. I apply it freshly to my skin, but I ended up showing you guys like during this portion of the video because it's already like fragrance, outfit ties in hand in hand. But I tend to apply it after, and I always apply it like my neck, my arm, where else? The back of my leg, like the back of my knee area. And also like on my like where my elbow and arm, forearm kind of touch. Yeah, those are like kind of the main places that I apply it. But yeah, so I know I'm rambling, guys. I really like very chatty. I know yesterday I didn't show you guys like how the beef stew came out. It came out really good. I have this thing of like not trying it on camera, like not eating it because I feel like it's weird, but apparently it's very big. There's this whole thing called mukbang that I have heard about, but like recently I've been doing more research on it because a lot of you guys like want to see me like share how the food comes out when I cook it. So I'll work on that. But it's like, it's hard because like usually I'll cook and then I'll like eat, I'll watch TV. I'm like very like, I don't know, very relaxed and unwinding for the night. So my camera is the last thing that I'm picking up. But yeah, so let me get going. I am gonna take my DSLR with me. I believe she's gonna bring her camera as well. And then we'll get some photos. And I don't know if like I'll share who I'm with later, but if I do, you guys will see that. She's also gonna be vlogging too, so that'll be very fun. Meeting a fellow blogger, a fellow YouTuber in Houston, so that's pretty cool. We not go far, we not go far, we go win, you go know. All of the blessings fall on my yard, blessings stay for my yard. We not go far, we not go far, we go win, you go know. All of the blessings fall on my yard, blessings stay for my yard. And like a dad, we go big, we go see, we go feel that. Because the blessings fall on my yard, blessings fall on my yard, yeah, yeah. Fire for us. I don't wanna reason bad things no more. I don't wanna go back to where they before. Ain't nobody stress me, don't disturb me, done. I see my alcohol. Hey guys, look who we're with. Miss Mo Beauty.
Okay, I know that's right.
All in the name.
Okay.
So we just met today, exchanged Instagram today, and now we're taking photos here. It's really pretty. So we gotta take these quick before we lose sunlight.
Yeah.
See, this is why you vlog when you vlog with other people, because they see things.
Because they understand. They get it. Right.
Hey guys, I am back home. Had an amazing day today. It was really nice meeting Mo. I don't know what's up with the lighting in here, but we took some really good photos today. I'm actually gonna put them on my phone. I'm gonna put them on my computer right now because some of them we took on my camera. So I just need to like send them to her. But they came out so good. I'm really happy with them, really pleased. Really had a nice time hanging out with Mo. Super sweet, super fun. I was telling her we need to hang out pretty soon because I had a great time. But yeah, so I'm home. It's 9:45. I'm gonna like unwind for the evening, edit some of these photos, send them off to Mo. And also like today, it's good connecting with fellow YouTubers and content creators, because I just found out that like Mo carries around her camera bag when she goes out shooting, because she takes photos in her DSLR as well. And you guys know I'm using my DSLR now, so I'm like, this camera bag is about to be going everywhere I go because it's just so much easier. I just wish I had one in black though. But successful shooting day. I'm gonna like pretty much end the vlog here because I have quite a bit. Ooh, the lighting is weird. I have quite a bit that I need to get done, and also I have a tendency of not ending my vlogs. I need to end my vlogs more properly. But I hope you guys enjoy this fun little day with me, this fun little Vlogtober. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to join the beautiful family. If you haven't joined already, what are you waiting for? And I'll see you beauties in my next video. Bye.